I love reading books and learning new things through them. Even better, I can earn money from this passion. Want to make extra income by reading books from home? This video is for you. This channel explores free ways to generate income. Many have found opportunities to earn by reading books, and this video presents 5 real, trusted options. The best choice depends on your interests, preferred genres, and whether you like writing reviews. I'll explain everything so you can decide what's best for you, and which ones suit you best. If you're ready, then let's get into it. Number 1. ACX, Audiobook Creation Exchange. ACX is a platform that connects authors and rights holders with narrators, producers, and recording studios to create and distribute audiobooks. Authors can post their books, and narrators can audition to produce them, agreeing on terms such as royalty shares or per finished hour rates. Once a match is made, the audiobook is produced, reviewed, and approved through ACX, then distributed through major channels like Audible, Amazon, and iTunes. This platform offers opportunities for authors to expand their reach and for narrators to build their portfolios and earn income. Number 2. Kirkus Reviews. Kirkus Reviews is a well-respected book review magazine that provides professional critiques for authors, publishers, and literary agents. It offers both traditional and indie authors a chance to receive an unbiased review of their work, which can be used for marketing and promotional purposes. It provides opportunities for those interested in becoming book reviewers. You'll need to read books in either English or Spanish and write concise reviews of approximately 350 words. Compensation usually ranges from $50 to $60 per review. If you love reading and discovering new titles, this can be an excellent way to earn money by writing brief reviews. Number 3. Online Book Club. Onlinebookclub.org is a community for book lovers offering book reviews, discussions, forums, reading lists, and author support. Members can read and write reviews, join discussions, participate in Book of the Month selections, and enter giveaways and contests. The site fosters community engagement through polls, quizzes, and interactive posts. Authors can promote their books and connect with readers. Payments range from $5 to $60 per review. You can decline any review offer if it's not suitable for you. Number 4. Fiverr. Fiverr is an online marketplace where freelancers offer a wide range of services starting at $5. Services span various categories, including graphic design, digital marketing, writing, video production, programming, and more. Freelancers create gigs outlining their services, prices, and delivery times. Clients can browse these gigs, read reviews, and hire freelancers for specific tasks. You can offer your services to read and review books here. Many people on Fiverr offer these services, and you can too. Create a profile, offer your services, and build up your reputation. Although it may require some patience at the start, there's considerable potential for growth once you've made a name for yourself. Number 5. GetAbstract. GetAbstract is a company that specializes in summarizing non-fiction books, articles, and videos into concise summaries. Their aim is to provide busy professionals with key insights from a wide range of topics, allowing them to stay informed and up-to-date with minimal time investment. You need to apply to become a writer. They provide clear instructions, and if approved, you can expect decent work opportunities. Payments vary depending on the project, and you can choose which projects to accept based on your schedule. These websites are all free of charge, so you have all the freedom to start whenever you're ready to earn additional income. Whether you're seeking a side hustle or a primary source of income, these options cater to various preferences and schedules, offering flexibility and potential financial rewards. That concludes our side hustle idea for today. How did you find it? How about leaving a thought out in the comments section below?